Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off VoLTE in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. You are seeing here 5G and VoLTE. Okay. I have inserted two SIM cards. If you have inserted two SIM cards, signals will be detected from your SIM card. If your SIM card operators giving 5G services or VoLTE, voice over long-term evaluation. VoLTE means voice over long-term evaluation. It will be signaled here. Okay. First SIM shows 5G and second SIM here showing VoLTE. Okay, if you want to turn off VoLTE, what you go to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to connections and go to mobile networks, and here click on network mode for SIM1. And if it is in 5G, first option 5G LTE to 3G 2G, 5G and LTE means voice over LTE or Vivo LTE will be signaled here. Okay, if it supports. Okay, so you have to keep I now keep it on second option LTE, up to LTE only, so voice over LTE will be showing here. Still it is not turned off. If you choose 3G 2G auto connect, then only Vivo LTE will be turned off. Okay, in the similar way for network mode for SIM2, select 3G 2G and VoLTE will be turned off. Okay, if you would like to get VoLTE, then you have to keep network mode in first option up to 5G. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily turn off VoLTE or turn on VoLTE if it's needed. Okay, see here, now it is restored. So in this way you can easily do it. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.